Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about CPM, that is critical path method in software project management, and it is one of the technique of the network planning. So critical path method is a method used in project planning for project scheduling for the on-time completion of the project, and it helps to determine the earliest time by which the project can be completed. And there are two main aspects in the critical path method. One is critical task and other one is the critical path. Critical task, so it is the task or the activity that should not be delayed, so otherwise the completion of the project will be delayed. And critical path, it is the sequence of the critical task or the activities, and it is the largest path in the project network. Steps in the critical path method, there are 6 steps. The first one is the identifying activities. So to identify the activities we require work breakdown structure. Work breakdown structure is used to identify the activities which are involved in the project, and it is the main input for critical path method. And here we are going to select the high level activities. When detailed activities are used, the CPM may become complex to manage. Second step, activity sequence establishment. The correct activity should be established. For each task or the activity we should ask 3 questions. First question, which task plays before this task? Which task should be completed at the same time? Which task should happen immediately after this task? And third step, construct network diagram. Once the activity sequence is correctly identified, network diagram can be drawn. And fourth step, perform time estimation using forward and backward pass. So forward pass is carried out to calculate the earliest dates on which activity may be started and completed. Backward pass is carried out to calculate the latest dates on which activity may be started and finished without delaying the end of the project. And next step, identification of critical path. So determine that we require 4 parameters for each activity of the network. So first one, earliest start time, earliest finish time, latest start time, latest finish time. So after that we have the sixth step, that is critical path diagram or show project progress. So which gives the realistic figure for the deadline of the project. And there are some advantages for the critical path method. First one, it offers a visual representation of the project activities, and it presents the time to complete the task and the overall project, and it provides the tracking of the critical activities. Now let us see an example for the critical path method. So where the activity and the duration is given. So the activities here start from 1 to 5 activities are there. So first 1 to 2 activity, 1 to 3 activity, 2 to 4, 3 to 4, 2 to 5 and 4 to 5. And the duration for each activity is given in this example. So for this we have to draw the network diagram, and we have to calculate the critical path, and then we have to find the total float or free float for the given example. So for the first step we have to draw the network diagram. So let us construct a network diagram for the given activity. So here the first activity is 1 to 2. So for this 1 to 2 the duration is 13. So let us draw the first node, that is 1. So from 1 we have to draw the second node 2. So the duration for the 1 2 is 13. So next activity 1 to 3. So 1 2 3. The duration for 1 to 3 is 12. So next activity we have the 2 to 4. So for 2 to 4 I am drawing like this, 2 to 4, and the duration for 2 to 4 is 2. So next we have the 3 to 4. So for 3 to 4 I am drawing like this, and the duration is 8. So next we have the 2 to 5. So 2 to 5, and the duration for 2 to 5 is 15. So next we have the 4 to 5, that is 2. So this is how we should draw the network diagram. So 1 to 2 the duration is 13, 1 to 3 the duration is 12, and 2 to 4 the duration is 2, 3 to 4 8, 2 to 5 15, 4 to 5 2. So this is how we have to draw the network diagram. So after constructing network diagram, the second step is to find the critical path. So to find the critical path, first we have to find the what are the paths present in this network diagram. So we can see that here there are 3 paths in this network diagrams. Let us see that. So for the path 1, so the path 1 we have 1 to 2, 2 to 5. So the path is 1 to 2, 2 to 5, and path 2. So the path 2 is 1 to 2, 2 to 4 and 4 to 5. And next path we have path 3. So the path 3 we can see 1 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 5. So these are the paths we find out. Now we have to see the how many weeks required for every path. So first path 1 to 2. So 1 to 2 duration is 13 and 2 to 5 duration is 15. So 13 plus 15 we require 28 weeks. Coming to the second path. So 1 to 2 duration is 13 plus 2 to 4 duration is 2 plus 4 to 5 duration is 2. So that means 17 weeks. And third one 1 to 3. So 1 to 3 duration is 12 plus 3 to 4 duration is 8 plus 4 to 5 duration is 2. So total we got 22 weeks. So now we have to find the critical path. So for calculating the critical path we have to see the maximum of the given paths. So 28, 17, 22. So the critical path here is the 28 is maximum. So path 1 is the critical path.